Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about power bank, how to register the app. After clicking the link, you will have to register with your phone number. I have given the link in the description, and I have given the link of my members also, those who have downloaded from my link. So you can link from any one of them. And you can, after downloading, please send me the referral link so that I can promote your link also. Okay, after registering you'll get this interface, login, and then login. You get this. So this is the page you will be getting after login. Okay, so this is the page. You see my device over here with the blue column. Press on that. So here you have to press the receive button once you get the money in your app. But now I have done it already, so you'll not be able to see. So this app is very easy to earn money. You have to do a recharge of you see a recharge column here of 300 to withdraw the money. Once you click on the app, you do recharge. So you will get free money also for 3 days of 2.10 per hour. That is only as a trial, but they say they have stopped it, but I'm not sure now whether they have stopped it or not. But if you do 300 also, you will get 0.80 paisa per hour. After doing the recharge, you have to go to purchase hall and buy the cabinets, 300, 600, anyone. So I would suggest you buy 2 times of 300. Okay, so you'll be getting 1.6 per hour. And then if you want, you can increase to 600, 3000. One cabinet can be buy only twice, not more than that. Okay, and here you see fortune column at the bottom on the left hand side of purchase hall. There you have an option to keep your money for deposit for 10 days. If you keep for money for deposit 10 days, you see, if you keep if you put 500 rupees, after 10 days you will be getting 715 rupees. Okay, for 35 days if you keep, it's very much too much here, 500, after 35 days you will be getting 1750. So I would suggest you all not to go for big ones like 35, 120. Just put for 10 days, not a big amount. 1000 also is fine if you can afford it. So then after 10 days you can withdraw it back. So these are the things in this power bank. And first of all, on home page you should see the my device. After every hour the money comes in the device, just click on that and press receive, so the money will go in a wallet. So then to withdraw that, you see the me column, down. So you need to bind your bank card, that's bank account. You have to put your name, telephone number, email, bank account, bank name, UPI ID. If you have, you put it. I don't have, so I put null. And then IFSC, and then submit. And then when you're going to withdraw, 150 is the minimum. For that you will be having a 18% GST. So 123 will be getting in your bank account if you withdraw 150 rupees. Okay, and this app is very easy to use. You have to invite your friends and tell them also to invite. So you can form a team here. I formed a team of 10 members now. There are 30 members, but 10 are active. So then you'll be getting 15 rupees if they recharge on 300. Anything if you want to ask, you can ask me in my YouTube comment box. And okay, and this is it. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you.